Red light preview operation teaching. 1 tool flying marking setting enable. 1.2 tool preview param, axial preview, speed equals 8000 mm per minute enable keep red light on, preview times equals 3 times. 1.3 Enable frame mode, select multiple primitives for preview. The axis will move along the boundaries of each primitives, and the boundaries of each primitives can be seen through red light. 1.4 Enable the full range mode and select multiple primitives for preview. The axis will move along the largest boundary of all the selected primitives, and the overall boundary of the selected primitives can be seen through. 2. Galvanometer red light preview teaching. 2.1 Tool flying marking setting enable. 2.2 Tool preview param, galvo preview, speed equals 800 mm per second enable keep red light on, preview times equals 3 times. 2.3 Enable frame mode, select multiple primitives for preview. Select auto start axis will move to the location of primitives. Use a galvanometer to drive the red light and preview the boundaries of each pixel. 2.4 Enable the full range mode, select multiple primitives for preview. Select auto start, the system will select the primitives partition. Move axially to each partition position and drive ray. 2.5 Full path mode and outline mode are rarely used and can be tested by referring to the software manual. 2.6 If you only want to preview fixed point red light, you can cancel the flying marking mode, move the pixel to the range of black galvanometer, and click red light preview.